Guys, so I'm going to introduce you here a very strange phenomena in Canada. So look at behind me. Look at those trees. You see that? They are. I'm going to give you a close look. So look at those trees. They are just frozen, and ice and snow type is wrap around all the branches, right? So what's happened here usually? So once the temperature fall from plus side to the negative side quickly, that's happened, guys. That's happened. It's a very beautiful and strange phenomena, right? Really, I'm telling you. Look at that all those frozen land as well. This is actually my front of my house. That is walking track in front of my house, and there's a lot of trees and also a grass as well. So I'm gonna give you a closer look. Look at that. Look at here. You see that? How beautiful is now? I'm gonna give you a closer look. Look at that. So this has happened. So usually what's happened, once it's plus side, like +4, +5, it was last night, and it's automatically generate fog. I'll show you later. And that fog become ice come snow in the morning when temperature fall from plus side to quickly to the negative side. So what's happened last night, it was +4 or 5 degree, I think so. And in the night, when quickly it's drop off to the negative side, it's generate fog, and that fog become frozen here. You see that? Look at this. So today is night. Right now it's a -4 degree, but it's gonna be go down more. It's gonna be -7 quickly, maybe in an hour. That is the prediction of the weather network. Look at that beautiful scene. So this is very strange phenomenon, man. So plus side, close to the 0 degree, it generate fog. And then when it's down to the 0 and to the negative side, that fog become frozen, and it turn into the ice and snow. Look at that. Look at that, all those trees. And look this one in front of my house. Oh wow. Look this tree. How beautiful its branches are. Oh wow. Look at those. Let me show you my backyard. My backyard, you look at that. Look at all those trees. Their branches become icy, and look at this one, the little one. Oh, what a awesome, beautiful. See that? So that fog turned into ice and snow. See that? Wow. Look at that spruce grove tree in the behind. That is a spruce tree. Oh wow. Oh, you like this phenomena, right? It's very beautiful and very strange. If you have a more trees in front of your house, it's looking so beautiful, guys. So see you in the next video. Keep watching Enjoy Star Food, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. You go, guys. So this is the night time. So you see that how the fog is increasing right now. So this is the starting of the fog. Usually it's happening in the night. You see that? And see that? I can show you this tree. See, this is not snowy, but once you wake up in the morning, you will see that is frozen, right? So you see that? So slowly this fog is increasing. You see that? And in the morning, this fog become snow and wrap around the trees. So that's the phenomenon I was talking about. See that? Oh wow. Very beautiful and wonderful phenomena, really. Thanks for watching. Wow. gonna give you a 360-degree view here in my street. See how fog is going on? See there. This is my street lamp. Look at those street lights. Oh wow. So this is the time it's continuously increasing. The fog is increasing right now.